YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, howdy.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Hello, everybody. I'm glad everybody is here to join us today. This was last week. We are working in our personal planner. And we're going to be working on the week of the 15th through the 21st.
Of July, which means July is almost over. And where did it go?
It's really crazy how fast all these months are going.
This year has gone by. I remember when it was 2018.
So, big trash day this week. Yay! Because I got a lot of boxes
But
to
it's
put
not
out.
recycled. It's just the regular trash can.
That's okay. I always put them out.
Oh, okay. No, I'm confused. Never mind.
Yeah. So the kit Drea made us today is
Called Sweet Dragonfly.
Sweet Dragonfly.
It's got some really pretty clip art in it.
There we go. Gorgeous. I love the glitter on that.
I like the florals. And then the dragonfly is very sweet. You can't go wrong with pretty
Dragonflies.
bugs. Yes. Pretty bugs. This is the icons, or half boxes, I think.
Quarter.
Quarter boxes and headers and date covers. And then this is your checklists, your icon script icons, and more checklists and date dots. It is
Awesome.
a 3-page kit.
Beautiful kit. And then we have a new
Item
product.
in the store.
This is in the store, and it's for the Classic Happy Planner.
This one is for the classic, yes. This is the first one. These are clear stickers with gold foil stars on them. Mind you, the foil can be whatever you want. It's in the listing, but this is just an example of what they can look like. And what you do is you take the box and you put it over your full box, and then you have glitter. Then you have glitter stars on it. Mom will be using it on the Classic Happy Planner this week.
So check out the Classic Happy Planner Plan With Me video, and you'll see me using these.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to use those.
I know, it'll be fun.
So we have an appointment.
I do.
All right.
We should mark that with a pretty box.
Yeah.
Because I don't want an unpretty box.
Well, the 16th is Tuesday, so we're going to have a pretty box there.
Okay. It is important that we have pretty boxes.
Everywhere.
Yes.
We'll do something a little different. It's not going to be that different, but...
She's going to go so far out of the box you won't know which hand is up.
Yeah.
Or she'll go so similar to the box you'll be like, okay, I saw that coming. No, it's fine.
There we go.
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
You're alternating the position in the box.
I am.
Mm-hmm. So that way the half box goes on top of one and the half box goes under another.
Yeah.
That's cool. That could work.
I think it will.
It may. It just may.
Yeah.
The boyfriend and I are watching Inkheart on Netflix. He's never seen it. This is his first time seeing it.
I forget who's in it, but I've seen it before.
Inkheart, starring Brendan Fraser, Paul Bettany, Sienna Gilroy, Andy Serkis, and a whole bunch of other people. Jennifer Connelly cameo, which is hilarious because she is married to Paul Bettany, who plays her husband in the movie as well. And their children, their real-life children, are in the movie playing their children as well.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
Yeah. I learned that and I thought that was the coolest thing on earth.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. He got his whole family to be in the movie.
That's awesome.
Yeah. He's one of my favorite actors. And Jennifer Connelly was my favorite actress back in, let's say, 86, circa Labyrinth. Anybody?
Yeah.
I loved Labyrinth. That today is still my favorite movie. R.I.P. David Bowie. He will forever be missed.
I know.
He was one heck of an icon.
He was a good singer.
And good actor, too.
Yeah.
He's played in a few movies. He played Nikola Tesla in that Magician movie with Ed Norton and Christian Bale. We saw it, I just don't remember the name of it. And everybody thought he had two different colored eyes. in real
Uh-huh,
life, but he doesn't. One of his pupils is more dilated.
Oh, wow, okay.
So, but both of his eyes are blue.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
There is a fact that no one cares about anymore because he's gone.
Yeah.
But I thought it was interesting. I always thought he had the prettiest eyes because they were so unique.
Yeah.
I always thought he was the prettiest man.
Very handsome man.
Yes.
Really skinny, though.
Yes, and that's probably why him and Iman looked perfect together.
Yeah.
Because they were both model skinny.
Yeah.
I like Iman's clothing line.
Oh, I know. She has some nice clothes.
I have a pair of purple, deep plum purple jeans by Iman. They fit like a glove, and they look so good with like anything. It's awesome. That sticker was not where she wanted it to be.
No, it got all crooked.
What the heck? Get with the program paper. So today's been busy. We've been filming. Mom's been filming a lot. She still has another filming to do. And then I've been busy working behind the scenes on my stickers. And I uploaded a crap ton of listings today. You should go check them out.
Yes.
The link will be in the description. So please check it out. I do have a sale going on. It's 20% off on all the major kits, like the mini Happy Planner kits, the classic Happy Planner kits, Erin Condren, and so forth. And it's 20% off. You can't beat that.
20% off, guys.
Until August 1st.
Until August 1st. So check it out. Get what you want now for 20% off. That's a good deal.
And we have free shipping on orders over $35. So that's also good because you can easily rack it up.
So get together with your friends. Everybody place the order and get free shipping.
Yes.
That's fun.
And you get lots of beautiful stickers and fun stickers.
Yay.
Yay! That is cute. I like how you're going with it.
Isn't that pretty?
That is neat. That is pretty neat.
It's pretty neat.
Gosh darn it. I sound like Leave It to Beaver or something. Or Andy Griffith. I can't whistle, but I could whistle, but I can't whistle his tune. Thank you. There it is. I didn't want to get copywritten, so I stopped. And I did it bad anyway, so it didn't matter. Yes, Jimmy, we hear you. Bad butt.
That's cute.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that. I do need to make a checklist for that specific box.
Yeah.
Okay.
This works too, though.
True. It does work, too, though. Too, though.
This works too, though.
And you'll notice that I've done some revamping with my shop. The display images are, I don't know, I think they look nicer. So, I spent hours doing that this morning. But it came out really nice. It looks all cohesive and stuff.
I love it. I think you did a great job.
Thank you.
All right.
Nope.
Doctor's appointment.
Nope. I'm just gonna say nope.
It's at 10:30.
Unfortunately. Couldn't have been later though.
Okay.
See, and the script stickers fit so perfectly.
They do. Big trash day.
It's Thursday. Yeah, I don't have a trash anymore. Do I? No, I don't. Do I? Oh, sorry. I haven't made them yet in my script stickers list.
Um.
No, she's not doing this.
We got Happy Bill on Wednesday. Yay.
Yay, what are we getting?
Some Joanne stuff.
Really? Okay. Sorry, brain fart. I don't know what she's talking about, but it's okay.
Hello Weekend looks cute.
Yeah, you like the new font?
I like the way you have it set up. It's not two separate words anymore.
No. And it's two separate fonts, though.
Yeah.
That's fun.
See, I'm gonna put it down here. Yeah. This is big trash. Can't forget big trash because I got so many boxes that need to go out.
It looks like we're moving. That's how
It
many
does.
boxes we have.
They're all chewy boxes, you guys. It's for my pets.
Yes, but it looks like we're moving animal food.
Yes. We have payday.
Yay, yay, for payday.
It's on this same day, so I'm just going to go up here like that.
It is hot.
It is very hot.
It's 95 degrees here. What's the weather in your neck of
Yeah,
the
what are
woods?
you guys dealing with? We have been hundreds every day.
Humidity, rain,
78% humidity. Hundreds every day.
and thunderstorms scattered.
It's been crazy here.
But it's our monsoon season, so it sucks.
But when we have a thunderstorm, it doesn't cool everything off.
No, it makes
Just makes it
everything
hot
worse.
and muggy. And then I was going to binge watch
Stranger Things?
Stranger Things.
Mom is watching Stranger Things so she can get to the new season.
Yeah.
I have not seen it, so she does not get to talk about it in video with me. Because I don't know what's happening. I have to wait until the series is done before my boyfriend will watch it with me. He's so picky about shows, y'all. He has to wait until it's done because he doesn't like to wait until the next week to see what happens. I call that impatience.
He's silly.
He's a goofball, love him. What is that one?
That is the number 15.
Oh, okay, that is exciting.
Mm-hmm.
When did you do the day covers? Oh,
I
you
didn't. Mm-mm.
Oh, shame. Shame.
Yeah, Stranger Things is interesting. I think you're going to like it.
I liked the few episodes I saw, except for one episode I really didn't like in the first season.
Mm.
You would know it.
Unless I skipped it.
The dog.
I probably skipped it then.
Yeah, you had to. I was told after the fact, oh yeah, I think something happens to the dog. Okay, thanks. Great. I'm surprised you like it, because you don't like things like that with children.
I'm not really good with children movies that are like horror flicks.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not really good with that. I don't like bad stuff happening to kids
But
or animals.
Stranger Things is like nothing but bad stuff happening to these kids.
Yes, this is true.
So how are you getting past it?
I don't know. I think
It's
because it's
different.
fake
No.
and and like you said, it's different.
Yeah, it's made differently than the movies that are also fake but do it wrong.
Yeah.
Like Pet Cemetery.
Yeah.
They do it wrong. Beyond.
Monday is pretty.
No. I was gonna start singing Monday, Monday. See, my next song would be Tuesday, Tuesday. And so on and so forth.
Go on and say it. I know you want to.
What?
Wednesday, Wednesday.
Oh, no, I'm done.
La da 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 da.
Thursday, Thursday. We're just gonna sing the whole week, y'all. It's fine.
Everything's okay.
Yes, calm down. My least favorite phrase. Friday, Friday. Doot doot.
Do 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 do.
See, this one's gonna sound weird. Saturday, Saturday. It's because it's too long. Too many
Syllables.
Syllables. I was gonna say consonants, but that's not right.
It's syllables.
I could have said vowels, which was even wronger.
Oh, snap. You said wronger.
Yeah, on purpose.
Whew.
No, don't worry, I don't.
You were having fun with that one.
Yeah, for the most part, I talk wrong on purpose. Happy birthday, Regis!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Regis. Happy birthday to you.
We
And
love
many
you.
more. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Here is a final look.
It is beautimous.
It turned out so cute. I love it.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.